Keeping on, keeping on. Keep your head on. Time is ticking, ticking away, ticking away. Time is ticking, ticking away. Ooh, hey.
Let's talk about time ticking away every day. So wake on up, for it's gone away. Catch the 411 and stay up like the sun. Remind yourself that what's done is done. So let yesterday stay with the bygones. Keep your body and soul and your mind on the right track. In fact, you got to stay on the real. Black, don't turn around and don't look back. We trying to take the positive to another level. Red dog digging deep, Mr. P got the shovel. I level with you, I played in the foul picture, but now I got my mental sewed up like a stitcher. I used to be a P, trying to clock keys, living wild. Blast you before you blast me, that's the lifestyle. And I can see it on the evening news. It's just another knuckle shot to read the stretch doing time.
Time is ticking away. You gotta live your life day by day. Happy or sad, good or bad. Life is too short, you gotta keep your head. Time is ticking away. You gotta live your life day by day. Happy or sad, good or bad. Life is too short, you gotta keep your head.
Keep your head one more time and feel the rhythm. I'm telling you, life is too short, you know the feeling. You wanna do more, your self-esteem is in the way. You better take a kid and live it day by day. But anyway, I'm going for mine, I'm still broke, it's no joke. They still got me hanging from the ropes. Take time and still do the right thing and not the wrong. So listen to the words of the song, tick tock. You're seconds away from judgment day. So get your mind ready, get the evils out your way. Bring back, we cut no slack, we kick back. The positive message on this track is exact the way we feel it. In the 1990s, chilling with Red, in the mix you'll find me. Rewind me and turn back my mind. Think about the homies in the pen doing time.
Time is ticking away. You gotta live your life day by day. Happy or sad, good or bad. Life is too short, you gotta keep your head. Time is ticking away. You gotta live your life day by day. Happy or sad, good or bad. Life is too short, you gotta keep your head. Keeping on, keeping on. Keep your head on. Time is ticking, ticking away. Day by day.
Once again, CBK on the track to wake up your mind. Who knows what tomorrow might bring? Violence, destruction. Who knows? 'Cause time is slipping away.